लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण एक रिलेशन डेराईव्ह केलेलं आहे, जे की अल्फा इज इक्वल टू आर मायनस आर झिरो डिवायडेड बाय आर झिरो इन ब्रॅकेट टी मायनस टी झिरो. हेअर आर मायनस आर झिरो इज द increase in resistance, r0 is the original resistance, t minus t0 is the increase in temperature, and this alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistance. Alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistance, and it can be defined as, from this relation we can define the definition for coefficient of temperature coefficient of resistance as, it is defined as increase in resistance per unit original resistance per degree rise in temperature is the definition for temperature coefficient of resistance. यानंतर आपण आणखीन दोन डेफिनेशन्स या ठिकाणी बघणार आहे. वन इज टर्मिनल पीडी of the cell and another is EMF of a cell. EMF of the cell and terminal PD of the cell या दोन डेफिनेशन्स आपण या ठिकाणी डिफाइन करणार आहे. तर या डिफाइन करण्यासाठी आपण एक सर्किट या ठिकाणी ड्रॉ करूया. दिस इज द बॅटरी which has positive terminal, this is negative terminal. This have the internal resistance small r, आणि ही जी काही टोटल अरेंजमेंट आहे, this is the battery of EMF E. Across it a resistance, it is the external resistance, capital R is connected. Capital R is connected. The first definition आपल्याला पाहिजे terminal PD of the cell. It is the energy spent to circulate a unit charge once around the circuit through an external resistance only. Terminal PD of the cell is defined as the energy spent to circulate a unit charge once around the circuit through an external resistance only. This terminal PD is denoted by capital V, and which is the product of current into resistance, which is the product of current into resistance. आता या ठिकाणी हे जर क्लोज्ड सर्किट असेल, then this cell supplies a current I which flows through a resistance R. Therefore, PD across this resistor R is V is equal to I into R, where I is the current and R is the resistance of the resistor. Next definition is EMF of a cell. Next definition is EMF of a cell. The energy supplied by the cell, the energy supplied by the cell to circulate unit charge once around the circuit. The energy supplied by the cell to circulate unit charge once around the circuit is called as the EMF of the cell. Both are the energies and which are the same. This is the energy spent to circulate unit charge. This is the energy supplied by the cell to circulate unit charge once around the circuit. Means here V is equal to E. V is equal to E. And from this equation also we know the relation for current through the circuit. I is equal to E divided by R plus small r. Here I is the current through the circuit, E is the EMF of the cell, capital R is the external resistance, small r is the internal resistance, and this is the expression for the current through the circuit. This is an expression for the current through the circuit. Here this current will be maximum if this R is absent, capital R is absent, means R is equal to 0, then this current becomes maximum and is equal to I is equal to E divided by small r, which is the maximum current, which is the maximum current. Here since capital R is equal to 0, capital R is equal to 0. तर या दोन डेफिनेशन सुद्धा आपण मागील वर्षी बघितलेले आहेत. याच्या पुढचा जो आर्टिकल आहे तो आपण या ठिकाणी बघूया. EMFs or the cells are in cells in series and parallel combination. Cells are in series and parallel combination. The cells which have the EMF E, त्याच्यासाठी असणारा सिम्बॉल आपल्याला माहिती आहे. This is the symbol for the cell of EMF E. Consider this is E1. त्याचे हे पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल असेल. This is negative terminal. Long line represent the positive, short line represent the negative. This is the another cell of EMF E2. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. These two cells E1 and E2 are connected one after other. Therefore, they are said to be in series combination. Therefore, they are said to be in series combination. जर एकानंतर एक अशा दोन सेल कनेक्ट केले असतील तर त्यांना आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, ते सिरीज मध्ये आहेत असं आपण त्यांना म्हणणार आहे. Therefore, the equivalent EMF E is equal to E1 plus E2. This is the equivalent EMF for this series combination. समजा ही 1.5 volt ची असेल and this is of 1.4 volt. Therefore, the resultant EMF is 1.4 plus 1.5 is equal to 2.9. It is 2.9 volt is the equivalent EMF across this series combination. तसंच आपल्याला पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन साठी सुद्धा बघता येईल. पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन केव्हा असेल, when two cells are connected in between two common points. These are the two common points. In between them, two cells are connected. This is E1, this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, and for this is the small R1, which is the internal resistance of this cell, which is the internal resistance of this cell. And this is another cell, E2, positive terminal, this is negative terminal, and this is the internal resistance for cell E2, which is R2, which is R2. These are the internal resistances R1 and R2 for the cell of EMF E1 and E2 respectively. Here the equivalent resistance, equivalent EMF for this combination, for this parallel combination is equal to EP divided by RP is equal to E1 divided by R1 plus E2 divided by R2, which is the required expression for parallel combination, which is the required expression for parallel combination. तर हे सर्व जे आर्टिकल्स आहेत हे आपण 11वीच्या वर्षामध्ये बघितलेलेच आहेत, त्याचा अभ्यास पण केलेला आहे. याच्यावरती आधारित काही एक्झाम्पल्स पण तुम्ही त्या वर्गामध्ये सॉल्व्ह केलेले आहेत. तर यांचाच यूज करून यांच्याच सहाय्याने आपण काय करणार आहे, तर 12वीचे काही आर्टिकल्स उद्याच्या तासाला आपण सुरुवात करणार आहे.